How AI recommends businesses, the three-step system to get found, trusted, and chosen. There is a shift happening in business right now that most people are still underestimating. It is no longer just about being visible online. It is no longer enough to rank on Google, post on social media, or have a polished website, because visibility does not automatically lead to clients anymore. Now, the real question is something very different. When someone asks AI for a recommendation, does your business get chosen? That is the new competition. Not search rankings, not followers, not traffic. Recommendations. And if AI does not confidently understand your business, you are not part of that decision at all. Today, I am going to break down exactly how AI decides which businesses to recommend, and more importantly, how you can position your business to become one of those top choices using a simple three-step AEO framework. The AI shift you cannot ignore anymore. Every single day, millions of people are now asking AI tools for advice. They are asking who to hire, what service to choose, which expert to trust, and which solution fits their problem best. And instead of scrolling through websites or comparing multiple options, they are getting direct answers. One recommendation, sometimes two or three, but never everything. That means something very important is happening. AI is becoming the gatekeeper of attention. It is filtering options before a human even gets to your website. So even if your business is excellent, even if your website is well designed, even if your service is better than your competitors, none of that matters if AI does not clearly understand you. Because AI does not guess. It only recommends what it understands with confidence. And that is where answer engine optimization, or AEO, completely changes the game. AEO is not about ranking higher. It is about becoming the business AI can confidently explain, trust, and recommend. Step 1. Be clear about what you actually do. The first step in getting recommended by AI is clarity, not complexity, not creativity, not branding fluff. Clarity. AI systems are extremely powerful, but they are not mind readers. They rely on language, structure, and consistency to understand what your business actually does. That is why the most important thing you can create is a simple, direct one-sentence description of your business. This sentence should explain three things in the simplest possible way: what you do, who you help, and what result you deliver. For example, instead of vague positioning like, "We offer digital solutions for businesses," a clear version would be something like, "We help service-based businesses automate client communication using AI systems so they can save time and increase conversions." That kind of clarity is powerful because it removes confusion. But here is the mistake most people make. They write this once and forget about it. For AEO to work, this message must exist everywhere. Your website, your LinkedIn, your Google business profile, your directories, your social bios. And confidence is what leads to recommendation. Step 2. Show proof that you actually deliver results. The second step is where most businesses either win trust or lose it completely. Because AI does not just listen to what you say about yourself, it also looks for evidence that other people agree with it. This is where proof becomes critical. Proof is anything that shows your business actually delivers real results. Testimonials, case studies, client feedback, media mentions, awards, podcast interviews, real transformations. Even simple before and after results can be powerful if they are structured clearly. Because in the eyes of AI, proof is not just marketing content, it is trust data. If your business has visible proof scattered across the internet, AI becomes more confident in recommending you. But if your business only talks about results without showing them, AI has no reason to trust those claims. And when there is no trust, there is no recommendation. So the goal is not just to collect proof. The goal is to make that proof easy to find, easy to read, and impossible to ignore. Place testimonials on your website, add case studies to your profiles, highlight client success stories on social platforms. Make your credibility visible, not hidden. Because the more proof AI finds, the more confidently it can position you as a recommended choice. Step 3. Be consistent everywhere you exist online. The third step is where many businesses unintentionally sabotage themselves. Consistency. AI systems do not just look at one platform, they scan everything. Your website, your social media, your business listings, your directories, and even third-party mentions. And then they try to build one unified understanding of your business. Now imagine what happens when your information is inconsistent. To a human, this might look like small issues. To AI, this creates confusion. And confusion leads to hesitation. And hesitation leads to exclusion. Because AI does not recommend businesses it is unsure about. That is why consistency is not optional anymore. It is a ranking factor for trust. Your business name, your services, your description, and your contact information should all align across every platform. How the three-step AEO system works in real life. When you combine clarity, proof, and consistency, something powerful happens. So AI starts to build a complete picture of your business. It understands what you do without guessing. It trusts your credibility because of visible proof, and it sees consistent information across multiple platforms. But being recommended does. Why this matters more for modern businesses than ever. This system is not just for large companies or tech businesses. In fact, it is even more powerful for small businesses, service providers, consultants, coaches, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. Because these are the businesses that depend heavily on trust and referrals. And AI is becoming the new referral engine. Instead of asking friends, people are asking AI. Instead of browsing websites, people are accepting recommendations. Instead of comparing options, people are choosing what is suggested first. So the businesses that adapt to this shift early will not just grow faster, they will become the default recommendation in their category. Your action plan to become AI recommended. Now let's bring everything together into a simple action plan. First, create your one-sentence clarity statement. Define exactly what you do, who you help, and the result you deliver. Keep it simple, direct, and easy to understand. Then publish it everywhere your business exists online. Second, gather your proof. Collect your strongest testimonials, case studies, reviews, and success stories. Then make them visible on your website and profiles instead of hiding them in separate pages. Third, audit your consistency. Go through your website, LinkedIn, Google Business Profile, and directories. Make sure your message, services, and details are aligned everywhere. Fix anything outdated or conflicting. And finally, think of this as an ongoing system, not a one-time task. Because as your business grows, your digital presence needs to grow with it. The bigger picture behind AEO. What is really happening here is simple but powerful. AI is becoming a decision filter. It is deciding what people see, what they trust, and what they choose. And in that environment, the businesses that win are not the loudest or the most aggressive. They are the clearest, the most consistent, the most trustworthy, because AI does not recommend confusion. It recommends clarity. Final thought. If you take one thing from this, let it be this. You are no longer just optimizing for humans. You are optimizing for how AI understands humans. And the better AI understands your business, the more often it will recommend you. That is the entire foundation of AEO. If this made sense, subscribe for more practical AI growth strategies, where we break down how real businesses are using these systems to get more clients, without increasing effort or complexity. And in the next video, we will explore the essential AI tools every entrepreneur should be using to automate, optimize, and scale their business with confidence in this new AI-driven world.